Hey everyone, I just bought a brand new curling iron. It's kind of funky looking and I'm super excited to try it today. Do you see this shaped curling iron? This is what I'm going to be trying today as I curl my hair this morning. So I thought I could show you how it works. I've only tried it once before, so we're going to learn together how it works. I got it off Amazon. It's called a bed head. And it was only like 30 bucks. But the reason I got it is because when I was in New York, my roommate had this curling iron and I really liked it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it at home. So let me show you what I do real quick to prep my hair before I start curling it. So I love me a little bit of sea salt spray because it kind of gives you that beachy look. And this one smells amazing. It's called Got To Be. So I kind of spray this through my hair. If nothing else, I just love the smell of it. It smells like the beach. But that kind of makes it a little bit like sticky and messy because I don't like my curls to look too perfect. Then the other thing I love is this stuff. It's called Big Sexy Hair. This hairspray is amazing. And so I like to spray hairspray in before and so my son's knocking, mom life. And so I sprayed in before because I want it to be a little bit like dirty before I curl it. So yeah, do you see this? So what I'm gonna do is I like to get kind of just like a little bit of a chunky piece here. And notice how it's not just all from the top. There's a little bit from underneath too. Good morning, Meredith. So I like to point it downward, and so and then just wrap it around. And I like that the barrel is big on the bottom because I don't like my curls. I don't like to curl the bottoms of my hair. So see how I'm leaving this tip loose. That way it doesn't have like, again, those like perfect curls because I don't want that look. I want more of a beachy look. Okay, so what do you think? I kind of like it, and I think the reason I like it is because I like messy curls. So I'm gonna keep going so you guys can see. So, and at first using these wands, I got like, they're really tricky to figure out how to use on yourself at first, but once you get the hang of it, like, see how I'm like, I basically put it over my head and point it down. That took some getting used to, but anyways, okay, do you see that? See, I like how those curls are turning out. Yeah, Ellen says, I love wands, only way I curl my hair, right? And then I have like these kind of, these sweepy bangs that I just curl, and I like to curl them back. So I typically curl the curls backwards and not forwards because I don't want them in my face. That one I'm probably, so if the curl doesn't stick very well, I spray it more. Because if you have like a little bit of sticky hair, I know that sounds bad, but if you have sticky hair, it like curls better. So I'm gonna hold it a little longer while we're chatting, and hopefully that piece will kind of curl a little better. My hair is not as dirty as I would like. Normally, I like my hair a little bit dirty before I curl it. That sounds bad again. But I feel like the curls stick better. When it's freshly washed, it's like too clean. Does that make sense? So yeah, that hairspray is the best, right, Meredith? It's so good. I mean, it's kind of pricier, and if you don't know me, I'm kind of a cheapskate. But that hairspray, this hairspray is about 14, 15 bucks, but worth every penny because it works so well. So I'm actually going to do a teeny bit more. Spray a bit more and curl some more pieces. So, and it's fun to just mix it up. You know, mix up your curls, like do smaller pieces. So this one you can see is a little bit smaller piece, so it's probably gonna curl a little better. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is hilarious. No wonder it's not curling well. I I unplugged it when I plugged in my something else. Ugh, well, there you go. That's live video for you. So now it's warming up again. I was like, no wonder it's not curling very well. Abigail, this brand is, she's asking what brand the weird looking iron is from. It is from Bedhead. And I can't remember the exact name of it when you search on Amazon. I'll post a link for you guys, but it was called like a reverse curl or something. And then the hairspray, Abigail's asking if the hairspray is heat protectant. You know, I don't know. I just know it works really well. Let's see. Oh, Heather's saying she uses a straightener to curl her hair. And you guys, I'm not that coordinated. I've tried straighteners. I'm not that coordinated. I don't know why. Even though they're probably easier than wands, but I just like wands. I feel like you get some really cool killer curls. So thanks for being patient while my curling iron heats up. I can't believe I unplugged it. That's so silly of me. Okay, that's much better. Do you guys see that? So yeah, anyway, I'm just kind of going through, and like I was saying before, mixing up the curls. So this one I'm going to curl forward so that you don't have perfect curls. So you have more of that beachy look, which is what I'm going for. Ellen says, I love the cheek keratin. I lost it. Your post got bumped. Okay, there's another one. Ellen said, I love the cheek keratin flexi hold. It gives a great hold and it's still flexible and not stiff. Get it at TJ Maxx for $11. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Let me show you another curl now. The curling iron is actually heated up. Okay. See? So again, this is a smaller piece. Can you see it? And yeah, look at that. Look at that. But again, I like that the end of the barrel is a lot wider so that I don't have those tight curls at the bottom. So let me show you this side, okay? Can you guys see my shoe collection in the background? See, now look, notice how it's trickier for me to get the other side. It's, again, it takes some practice, right? So yeah, again, I hold it over my head like this and point it downward at an angle. And then I don't typically curl this end piece. So let's see how it turns out. Ooh, that one's nice and curly. And you guys, here's my trick, okay? So I'm a mom of 4, so I don't have tons of time to like spend on, you know, my beauty routine. So what I do is I curl my hair like once a week and then I milk it for all it's worth. So I'll curl it. So like today, I'm going to curl it. And then it will probably last me until Monday. Like I won't wash it until Monday because that's what dry shampoo's for, right? But that way my hair, like, and the curls will loosen, which I kind of like. See, I don't like super tight curls, but these are going to loosen up when I sleep on them. And this is why I like to add a lot of hairspray so that it will last me for several days. Like I want it to last me for like 3 or 4 days. So, and maybe I'll have to go live and show you my hair on Monday. But yeah, do you see how these curls are turning out? I really like them. Hang on, I'm missing your comments. Okay, I like the beachy look. I know, me too. Linda says, I always feel like I do the other side backwards. Yeah, I know. It's like when you do your makeup, like you get one side right, and then the other side, you're like, I feel like I nail it with one side, especially with my eyeliner. I'm like, yes, I nailed it. And then the other side's like butchered. Oh, Tiffany's asking what my favorite dry shampoo is. I gotta see. I like the Batiste. I'm trying to see if I have any. Oh, yeah, here's like, it's called Batiste. So yeah, that's a really good one. Anyways, I am gonna keep curling, but yeah, just wanted to show you. Let me kind of show you. I'm not quite done with the curls, but I don't want to be on here forever taking up all your time. So yeah, you can see these ones are a lot tighter because the wand was actually warm. But yeah, and then I just kind of like spray them, and you can kind of flip your hair. I don't comb through them, otherwise you're gonna look like Curly Sue. So, and then yeah, and then they just look nice and wavy, and they last a long time. So I'm excited about this curling iron. I love it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.